Hi everyone, Mary Wall here, and I have something I want to show you. Ta-da! This is my new home dance studio. So let me give you the big tour. So, first the floor. It is a beautiful maple sprung floor, manufactured by Omara. You see their little logo in the corner here. And this was a present from my husband for Christmas. And once everything arrived, he actually installed it himself, which was wonderful. And I'm going to come up a little bit here. You're going to see all around the room these white rectangles. This is sound dampening that my husband also installed for me. And this way I can tap dance in here and people outside the room won't hear me quite as much. They'll probably still hear some stuff, but it won't be as loud. It also gives the room a really, really nice sound quality. Okay, I want to show you some of the artwork we have here. So a lot of these pieces were done by the daughter of a friend of mine who does these wonderful drawings. So that is Diane Walker, where we have Gregory Hines. Above Gregory Hines, you might recognize this if you ever danced at my studio in Tempe. We had this hanging in the lobby. That was our little wall-to-wall tap dance center. I purchased this when I got the whole stamp package when Gregory Hines got his stamp. And so that's hanging there. And next to Gregory over here, we've got Jimmy Slide. And here we have Savion Glover. We have my autographed postmodern jukebox poster that the wonderful Sarah Reich personalized for me. Thank you, Sarah. Come around here, we have this mirror, because every dance room needs a mirror. And above the mirror, I've got a television set. And this television set is going to be awesome because I can take lessons via Zoom on it and have it there as if the teacher was right in the room with me. Or I could also possibly teach some Zoom classes. If you're in the LA area and you're interested in any privates, I can do one or maybe two people in this room. It's not a very big room, so I can't really do big classes, but I could do a couple of people at a time. Or if you're interested in possibly taking something over Zoom, let me know. We can see what we can set up. And I'm also planning on producing more videos for my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for some of that. There you have it.